Morning, everyone. Price is being a little bit of a biatch today. Doesn't seem to wanna do what it's supposed to. He's gapping a lot. I don't know why he's doing that. There is no news going on right now. So the first trade I took, I shouldn't have. I missed some things that I should have looked at. But yeah, price overall is just not acting right today. Oh, looks, I had someone. How long have you studied ICT? Not long. I think I did it for less than a year. Then I took a year and a half break. Felt more like an eternity, quite honestly. And then when I came back, I started again, and for some reason this time around, it everything clicked. Everything clicked, and I started seeing things that I wasn't seeing before, understanding things that I wasn't understanding before, and yeah, that was kind of it. But yeah, not long really. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on today. This thing is frozen. Price is gapping. What is going on? It shouldn't have come all the way up here. Should already have left. Kind of feel like I should just let it stop me out. Yeah, just took new positions right here, or just let price see what it's gonna do. It's like it's frozen right there. What is going on? All right, this is the last trade. If this doesn't pull through, then I'm not putting any more trades. Because she shouldn't take this high. If it takes that high, then my my analysis is incorrect, and price is gonna go up and take this high right here, which I was expecting not to. This high right here. Kind of wanted it not to take it. But yeah, this is not looking good right now. If he takes me out, I'm gonna wait for price to take this high. Actually, no, I'm gonna let it take me out. I was gonna move my stop loss, but that's a huge mistake. Oh, it does seem like. Yeah, the reason why it feels like that is because ICT doesn't really teach us a strategy. He teaches a way to reprice, and then you just kind of do your thing. Like you figure it out on your own, pretty much. But that's the way you want to do it, honestly, because you don't want to just follow in a strategy, and a strategy doesn't always work. But when you're able to reprice, then you're able to know what's going on, um, how to when you know what's going on, then you're able to not lose a trade. Let's just say that when you know what's going on. All right, so we respected that. We're good there. Yeah, I say keep at it. You know, keep at it because it's worth it. There's a lot of people that criticize him. I honestly don't know. The guy is legit. Like they call him a fraud and they call him his methods that they don't work because he didn't want a freaking Robin Cup thing. And I'm like, I think he did that on purpose. I don't think he wanted that kind of attention. Because the guy, he never loses a trade. Almost never loses a trade. So, I don't know. His stuff works. That's one thing I know. His stuff works. And when you know, when you're able to reprice, then you're able to do the same almost. You know, it depends how long you've been doing it, and that's all what it comes to at the end. But yeah, prices. What is going on? It's like it's not respecting anything. It is not respecting anything right now. I will say that is waiting for time. It just took me out. I will say it's waiting for time, but there's no news. It just stopped me out. Let me see. I just lost 1K. If you watch any of his recent video, you notice he talks very different. Yeah, he does. It's not the same. He even changed his name from ICT back to Michael. Said he wants to be a different person. All right, so I'm gonna assume he wants to take that high right there. So I'm gonna remove all of this. I'm gonna remove all of that. Because right now I feel like I'm chasing price. And I do not want to chase price. If you want, yep, very calm, yeah. That's the Michael version of ICT, which is the real him. Alright, let me go to the 5 minutes, see what is, yeah. So to me, it still feels like he wants to take this high. I'm gonna wait for 7 a.m. Dika, not 7 minute candle. And see what the 7 a.m. candle does. It's only a few minutes. Okay, now this became a breaker. That's a breaker now. That can be my entry point. Depending on what he does, what price does. He said he's done being in this game with streamers. Yeah, he got a serious death threat not too long ago and showed the message, so he stopped streaming live on YouTube, switched to Telegram. Yeah, people hate him that much, but that's kind of to be expected when you're that good. You know, when you're that good and you're giving your stuff for free, it's like there's no competition. When you're that accurate and you're giving your content for free, then yeah, I can see how a lot of people feel threatened by that, and they will want to fight back, you know. But those just people that are not in their right mind because it does not make sense. Like, what would you go and attack someone who's trying to do good for a community that's struggling? Because there's a lot of people struggling in trading that don't understand what's going on, and that's why they lose so much money. All right. I will want to think that it did all the damage that it wanted to do. Okay, there it is. It's going after that high. 7 a.m. is around the corner. It almost feels like there's news, but I look at the calendar and there's nothing today. Oh wait. Oh wait, that's not it. It's this one. Um, yeah, March 3. There's no news, no real news until 10 a.m. I think I'm gonna take a total soup tray right here. Total soup entry. Why does it say 2000 right here? I don't understand. Something is going on with price. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? Okay. Let me get out of this tray. I gotta take a step back. There is something I'm missing here. Uh-oh. Yeah. Let me look at the higher time frame right here. Mm. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we're good. Excuse me. Let me see where I'm at. Okay. I can still risk $500 on a trade. Let's see if he wants to give me Thursday PM on a 15 minutes. Headed to that first fair value gap before it dropped. Thursday on the 15 minutes. That will be this one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I think it's not gonna respect it because price doesn't go after. It does not go after PD arrays, and right now price is going after something, and it's going. The only thing it can be going after is liquidity. So I say it's going after these highs right here. And I'm gonna choose the lower one right here. This is buy side. Not the center, to the right. Yeah. kill this because price is not dropping right now. Yeah, it's going after this buy side right now. It's not gonna respect that fair value gap at all. Mm, that sucks. It sucks because made a lot of mistake within this trade. Lost like 1K because of all that. This is my first loss. I've been on a streak, on a winning streak so far until today. Well, that will say if I still choose to continue trading and I'm able to catch the sell, then it will not be a lost day. But I don't know. I kind of don't like to stay longer than 8:30, and it's already 7:04. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna catch that buy. I'm just gonna catch that buy. I know where it's heading now, so let me catch that buy. I want the other one to come and open and hit the midpoint. I'm gonna catch that buy. Although there's a lot of momentum there. That fair value gap right there. Oh, I hate this magnet thing. Midpoint of that. What just happened? Why is it doing that? What is going on? Did I not buy? Oh my god. What is this? Was it not a buy? It was. I don't know why this says 10,000 negative. Oh my god, I don't understand. You know what? I'm just gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put my stop loss right there. Alright, we already broke this fair value gap, or oh no, we gapped above the fair value gap. I'm gonna measure that range and I'm gonna take something 50% of it. Measure that range and I'm gonna take something out right here. It's gonna be a sell limit. I'm gonna take 5 contracts. 5 contracts as a limit order. Yep. And then I'll let the 5 other contract run. For some reason I can't put a stop loss. I don't understand what's going on, so I'm just gonna let it run. Where were you in on a buy? Okay. Oh, so you were in a buy from down there. Good for you, brother. Good for you. But you see, this proves my point, right? What I was saying earlier, that's why um the best way and the best person to learn from is ICT, because he doesn't teach you on a strategy. He teaches you how to reprice. So when you're able to reprice, you're able to identify where price is heading, and when you know where it's heading, all you have to do is find a PD array to enter the trade, and that's it. I identify the price most likely wants to go and take that buy side up there. So since I already identified that, then all I have to do is get in on a PD array and and right price to where he wants to go already, instead of chasing it, which is kind of what I was doing. Although my bias was that it was gonna sell, but I guess it's not gonna sell until it take that. I don't know, because I was originally gonna wait for it to take it and then look for it to sell. That's how I used to do it before, but that's a strategy mentality. You know, what you want to do, you want to trade um, based on where price is going to. What do you say about again about price doesn't respect PD array? Oh no, I was saying that it was not gonna it goes for liquidity. Yes, so that's how I knew that this PD array was not gonna hold, because I believe price is going after this liquidity here, or at least 50% of that range from here to there. Um, so that's how I knew that it was not gonna respect this PD array. Whether if I would have not have identified that, then I would have probably sold right here. But since I know we have liquidity up here and prices seems to be in a rush to get somewhere, I know it's not in a rush to get to this PD array, because uh, price doesn't go after PD arrays. PD arrays is where when price start trading from once he has reached his destination. So if price indeed wants to come here and take this liquidity, then this is not where it's gonna start trading from yet. It's gonna go and take that. It's gonna find another PD array a little bit higher or somewhere, and then it's gonna start selling. If he wants to sell, he might want to, continue buying. Which is why I wanted to take this trade to take this liquidity, because I don't know if it's gonna end up selling like I thought it would from the get go. I don't know if it's gonna do that. After you take this PD array, I don't know what price is gonna do. It could sell, or it can continue going higher and start ranging, and I don't want to get caught up on that. So we have a clear target right here, which is this buy side. And since I noticed it, I wanna trade with price, not against it. What's the top liquidity price? That is 21,112.25. But I'm securing a profit at 21,091, which is 50% of that range from the top of this fair value gap to the top, to that price right there. You always want to do that. You want to, which is one thing that I didn't used to do. You always want to pay yourself. Always want to pay yourself. So you see, we never traded. I wanted to move my stop loss below here, but I couldn't, and I would have been safe because we never traded down there. We just accumulated orders right inside this fair value gap, which it would have been here. At first I was just measuring 50% of the candle from the from that wick of that previous candle and that, but now you see we just traded exactly to the 50% of that. It looks like about to take profit. Oh really? Oh really? Come on. Come on. You know, I know you want to. Just take it. There you go. All right. So I don't know what's going on, but this thing is acting weird. It's acting really weird. It says that I'm 5,000 negative, but at least the balance is correct. So I'm back. I recovered my losses apparently. I guess it was more than 1,000. I don't know how much I made on that run right there. All right, so now I want to put my stop loss. I'm gonna put it right here in profit. I can't do none of that. Am I supposed to just let it run then? You know what? I don't know if it's gonna go, how long it's gonna take to go there. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna make it easy on myself. I'm gonna target this. Take some more profit here. Oops. This is gonna be a sell limit. I got 5 contracts left. I'm gonna do 3 here, and I'm gonna let 2 run. Let me see. Is there any PDRA right here? Why are we returning? Oh, okay. We could be... Wait, what's going on? I'm so confused. Where is price? Oh, there you go. I'm like, what the heck? Did we just drop down? Like, we just sold? Alright, very good. So we're not even that far from it right now. So price should have no issues going there. I'm afraid that he might come back and retest this. Look at that candle on the 15-minute. We just broke right through it. So it's possible that price might retrace to this PDRA to retest it before we take that buy side. Yeah, I'm afraid we might do that, but seeing how huge this candle is, price might work in my favor and just take it because we're not that far from it. Like, why return all the way down here? Like, just take it. It's like right, it's like 20 pips. Just take it. Take it, buddy. Take it. Okay, it finally clicked for me about 3 weeks ago. The gambler in me finally died. Yep. I catch a trade and it goes to target, sell, and afterwards I feel tired and don't want to take another trade. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you don't want to gamble. If you don't know where price is heading, then don't get in the trade. Now, when you have a clear target where price is heading to, then that's when you trade. It's a weird feeling to be content. Yeah, because it's a shift of mindset. You know, we've been programmed to, chase price, pretty much chase price, because that's what most traders are doing. They're just chasing price. Some better than others, but for the most part, people are just chasing price. ICT teaches not to chase price, to trade with price. So once you figure out where price is going, all you have to do is trade in that direction because you already know it's going in that direction. All right. let me check something out. So from here to here, yeah. Oh man, this is what I don't like to get caught up on. So you see, that's what you always want to pay yourself. Look, 50%, it hit it exactly and it started retracing. It always freaking happens. It always freaking happens. So whenever you have a range from a PD array to target, take profit 50% of that range and just manage price from there on. But you already pay yourself. I already paid myself as of right now, and I'm back to I don't know if I'm back to profit. I'm definitely have recovered my losses. I don't know. I don't remember what I started with, but I know this account was 100K. Brought it to 130 and something when I started this morning, um, and then it dropped to 129 or so. Also, no, yeah, about 1,000 is what I was negative, but recover that. And if I win this trade, I'm gonna be 4,000 in profit. But I don't know what's going on with this account because I'm not able to put a stop loss. I don't know what's going on. I can't protect my trade anymore. So right now I have to watch it and close it if it goes too far. I bench myself to one macro, no adding, and I pass 4 violations and now 2 active PAs, almost to payout. Woo! Good shit, brother. That's the way. That's the way to do it, man. Congrats, bro. Congrats. So yeah, we just retested that PD array you called out, which is that fair value gap right here. We just retested that. Let's see what price wants to do now. What how big are those accounts? Now they're 50K, 100K? I can never find my You see what it's doing? Now is that it's looking to start heading to that PD array. I mean, not PD array, to that target. It just wanted to kiss that freaking PD array. All right, so I will get 3 contracts out at this level either way, and then the rest can stay to 25K and 50. Good shit, man. I'm guessing you're trading on micro. Oh yeah, micro, because E-mini is what I trade on right now. So the micro, which can be frustrating, because when your trade starts ends up being a winner, right? You just think of the how much you would have made if you would have been an E-mini. But you don't want to trade E-mini with a 25 or 50K account. Definitely not. 100K is somewhat good, but not. I would say 150 or more is what you want to trade E-mini with. Macro, macro is still good to 100K. You just gotta catch bigger fish to make a good return. Oh wow, I just noticed that my YouTube live feed is very delayed. It's like super delay. You have 8 days required, so for 25K, that's just 200 a day, which is attainable, of course. Yes. How many pips would you say that is on a macro? All right, let's go to the 5 minute and see what price did. All right, so we just went down to retest. Now we're heading back up. Okay, 400 pips. That's crazy, bro. I have not caught 400 pips because I only trade to target 100 handles. Yeah, because I only trade to target. Most of my trades are like 50 pips. Barely any 80 pips because I only trade to target. Like you see right here. Now, if I would have known price was going after this buy side, then yeah, I would have been able to take it here somewhere and probably would have ride it to here, take profit here, and then along the way. But that seems to be like 100 pips or so. That's not even 400 right there. Let's say realistically from here, that's 60. Hold on, 64 pips. I don't think it's not even 100. Let's see. Yeah, 80 pips. But I took it from here, from this PDA, right? This was my. And look, it's only like 42 pips. If target is hit, it's only 42 pips. So. Yeah, I don't understand the handle situation. Like I tried. That's one thing I still. I mean, I didn't care too much to understand it, but how many pips is one handle, and how do you calculate the handles? But I can only do, because with one macro, I'm only gonna want a 25.50 cent loss. Yep. 4 pips. So let's say right here. Let's say from here, from the top of this PD array to, oh my god, why does it keep doing that? To this buy side right here. How many handles is that? A tick is 25 cents. I don't think what's it called? Trading View calculates ticks over here. I'm thinking this is pips. The 41 right there, the number 41, that's pips, correct? And the 164 is the ticks. I would think so. All right. So it looks like at this point, price is just waiting for time because now we're ranging. Let me go and to the 1 minute. Yeah, I don't like what I'm seeing here. And I can't put no stop loss. Stop loss must be below current bid. Isn't that below? Jeez. I thought pips related to Forex. Relates to Forex. Yeah, it is. It's what is used on pips. I mean Forex, but I still call it pips here. I traded Forex pairs for the majority of the time I was trading. So it's just stuck in my head. So I don't know what you will call those. Are those then 41 ticks instead of pips? Yeah, I want to see price respect this right here because everything is looking very fishy right now. Very fishy. I think I can bring this lower. Right there. I think this can go higher. Well, I will say this. 15 minutes about to close. Yeah. It looks like he wants to reverse from this point. For some reason, I'm not able to set my stop loss, which is frustrating. Michael said recently he cycles to 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute when the candle is closing for each time frame. That's a good thought. I usually do that too. I don't go as high as the 1 hour though. I stay on the 15 minutes. On the because the 1 hour is not gonna tell me anything unless the move is bigger, you know. But because my target is like right here, I can only do 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. All right, I want price to go above this fair value gap right here. Price is ranging right now. On the 15 minute. Let's check that out. Yeah, this is yeah, it's the same as the it's pretty much the same as the one that you called out earlier. It falls in line with it pretty much. So we're ranging right here. We're staying above that PD array, which is good. I would hate to see it trade 50% of that or 50% of the actual fair value gap. That's right here. Because that will be much lower. All right, I'm going to stick with this one. This inversion fair value gap. So more bullish, yeah, except it's bigger. Yeah, I don't use 1 hour as much. So much more bullish, yep. Oh no, there it is. There it is. What I was afraid of. I don't know why Price likes to do that. He always wants to retrace just a few pips away from the target. It is so frustrating when he does that. You're like less than 20 pips away from target. Why are you retracing so far off? Like it will make sense if it was like a 50 pips away to retrace and then boom, go and take it. But this thing is literally retracing 50%, like less than 20 pips away. It was right here. Yeah, less than 20 pips away. So it's gonna go ahead and do all these crazy things right here. It might even go as low as down here to fill in this fair value gap, to then go ahead and take this buy side. And me, I'm stuck because I can't set a stop loss. The only choice I have is to close this trade, which I should have done around here somewhere. Long at 65, stop at 40. 65. Yep. And 40 will be down here. Yep. You got in again? If I would have had my stop loss on profit, then yes, the reentry would be here, which is, I believe, is what you call 65. So it's a bit higher where you enter. I would have waited for the what's it called, the 50% to get hit of this inversion fair value gap, because I'm gonna follow the inversion fair value gap and not the actual fair value gap that was created here on the 15-minute. Yes, one macro would stop across the lower fair value gap on the 15-minute. Yep, you have it around here somewhere. Yep, around here. I don't think it could go down there, but like, why would you want to do that? It's like I'm asking price. Why would you want to do that? I mean, this whole retracement seems unless we're going higher than what I am targeting. Do we have any equal highs somewhere that I can't see? Equal highs. Oh, you know what? We might be going after this first percentage fair value gap right here. Let me go on the 5 minutes and see if I can. Which one is the first percentage? Oh, it's none of these. So it should be right here somewhere. We could be going after this first percentage fair value gap. Where is it? I gotta remove the Monday from it. Looks like we keep gapping. Yapping. I hate that we're below this. We respected this fair value gap. Not looking too good. We came and took this low right here. I like that we did that. That's just probably grabbing liquidity there. Those are 4:15 p.m. Eastern time closes as Michael taught this year. Tuesday, Wednesday close at 188. Guess what, Michael? Tuesday and Wednesday close at. I'm lost. You must be replying to something that I said earlier, but I just seen that, so I'm confused. This stream should allow you to like allow other people to use their mic to communicate with you. 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time closes. Mm. Okay, I see what this is. Where's the? Oh, let's make it red. This is accumulation. I've been marking off the daily closes, and when they cluster, I notice price will eventually run for the cluster. It's almost like having book map. Oh, I see what you're saying now. It's accurate unlike book map. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So it looks like we might be going to this. This is from what? From Thursday? Yeah, this is Thursday's first percent to fair value gap. We might be retracing. We did have a huge drop. Um, Let me see right here. That's 2 p.m. So 9:30 is around here. Uh, so we started way above that, so we're good. We got more targets for it to want to hit, but my focus is on this one right here. This swing right here. Oh my god. It's taking so long. Daily closes are powerfully, so are daily fair value gap. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I don't. I only look at them when I'm near them. That's when I look at them. But if I'm not near them, I'm not using them as a point of trading from, because the biggest problem, or the biggest mistake I was making, and that a lot of people learning ICT, I feel like they are making, is that they just put a bunch of PD arrays in their on their charts, and they hope for price to go there so that they can trade from them. And that's not what price is doing. Price is not going after this PD array to trade from. That's not what they're doing. They're going after liquidity. And if a PD array is around that liquidity, then they're gonna use that to put in their orders to go to the next target. That's what price is doing. That's what you want to follow. You do not want to set PD arrays all over your charts and wait for price to um to go and reverse from them. You don't want to do that. That's like a retail mentality almost. You know what I'm saying? You want to price always goes after liquidity, and that's what you want to put your focus on. You want to mark your liquidities where they are, and once they're taken, then you look for a PD array to enter your trades from to the next liquidity. But before you even enter the trade, you got to know where the next liquidity is, where price is going after. If you do not know that, then you shouldn't enter the trade. Yeah, I did that in the very beginning. Yeah, so did I. And that really tests your patience, because You have a PD array marked out, and he goes there, and he doesn't respect it. And you already put it in trades because you. No, that's just like there's gonna be so many trades you're gonna put in. There are not gonna be winners when you following that. That's in a strategy. That's not reading price, which is what I was saying in the beginning earlier. That that's in a strategy, and most people want to be taught in a strategy to trade. That's not ICT. ICT is not gonna teach you in a strategy, because in a strategy, it's not gonna put food on your table all the time. But reading price will. Yeah, I did that. Right on, right on. Thanks for your knowledge. Very cool, man. Nah, no problem, man. Appreciate you being here, man. Make sure you subscribe. I have not live streamed for the past. I think I didn't live stream on Thursday, on Friday, and I almost didn't live stream today. But because I felt like price when sold out or sold for very low on the previous week. I kind of felt like he might use Monday to retrace. Even though I was on a trade to sell, because I thought it was gonna go and take sell side before we go and take buy side, but no, that's not what price wanted to do. And I never had any reasons to enter a trade whatsoever either. He never broke structure. I just entered the trade assuming. You can see he never broke structure. He broke minor structure, but those minor structure deliver because it took this liquidity down here. So he never meant to go. Oh, actually, no. This is where he will break structure. This is the major break structure. This is the minor break structure right here. All right, I think we're done with that shenanigans, and we're ready to go and take buy side now. What's weird is I got notified that your stream was starting, so I was already subscribed somehow. What? No freaking way. How the heck? I mean, this is a new YouTube channel. So I don't know how you would have been subscribed. That is odd. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. And you happen to be, and you maybe subscribe on a previous live stream, because I have let's see, 1, 2, 3, and 4 live stream before this one, so you might have subscribed on the previous live stream but didn't engage. That's probably what it was. Can you look up when I subscribe? No, he only tells me I got 2 subscribers, but it doesn't. I didn't receive no notification, nothing of any subscriber. It just shows the amount. It's weird. All right, 8 is around the corner. 8 always brings even though there's no news at 8 a.m. There's news starts at 9:30. Actually, no, at 10 a.m. But we can assume that at 9:30, price is gonna start doing its thing. But at 8, we have nothing at 8, but we should still expect a push. So 8 might deliver this buy side for us. So let's just cross our fingers and hope that he does. Oh, if you want, sometimes I have issues setting up the live stream on on YouTube. So if you want, you can. If you have Twitch, you can go and follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna send you the link. Hold on. Okay. Maybe God did it. I'm in a pinch personally with family. Amen, bro. Amen. So that's my Twitch link. Go follow me there if you have Twitch. I feel like the stream works better on Twitch than he does on YouTube. I feel like there's a huge delay on YouTube for some reason. But on Twitch, it seems like the delay is very minor. It's like a few seconds only. On YouTube, it seems like it's a minute or two. Never use Twitch. Maybe I'll check it. It's mostly for streamer like gamer streamers and stuff like that, which I was doing a little bit of gaming before. But there's people trying to live stream them trading too. So I thought I'd do it too, and it's so much easier to stream on Twitch than it is on YouTube. The live streams is a lot smoother. But I still have it on YouTube too, because you don't know where people are gonna be. I also thought of doing it on Facebook, but that I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna do Facebook yet. Okay, Price is definitely waiting for time. Is waiting for 8 a.m. for sure. He have to. He has to. But what I don't know at this point if Price is gonna break through this and go and take this buy side, or it's gonna sell off. Now, I don't see anything that he wants to go down there unless it's the target that I originally was aiming for. But I don't see why he wouldn't want to go and take this buy side before he did that. And I can't put up a stop loss anywhere, bro. Could I put it here? No. Once he breaks, if he breaks, and then I'm gonna set my stop loss right here. But I'm gonna wait for that break because he can still go down and take me out, which it wouldn't be too bad. I wonder if I can put it on break even. Yep, he would have taken me out right there. Could I put it on break even? Let's see. No. I don't know what's going on with the trading thing right now. But it's frustrating that I'm not able to put a stop loss. Let me look at the 1 minute and see what Price is doing, because this is being very suspicious right now. So this is a breaker. This is a breaker. That's what's holding Price. And we got that fair value gap as well. That's what's holding Price. I'm like, why is it finding so much resistance? It's just a damn fair value gap. Alright, once we break through it, then we should be good. This was an order block right here. Order block. Alright, let's see. I think I'm getting sick. If you get rid of your sell limit, you can put a stop. on my sell limit. No, no, I was trying to put a stop before put even setting my sell limit or my target. It's just the account is acting weird right now. Look, it says that I'm negative 5,000, and I'm literally above where I took my trade. So that something is up with it. I don't know what it is. But when the target's hit, I still get the credit. So otherwise, I wouldn't be at back to positive. Okay, back to this order block. Yeah, that is weird, right? Price is definitely waiting for time. We got about 6 minutes till 8:30. I mean 8, and we definitely have some accumulation. People are selling right now. People are selling like crazy right now. And I feel like if that's what price is doing, trapping traders who are selling, I feel like it's gonna catch them by surprise and go take their stop loss. So, or those traders can be correct, and price might sell, but I don't see where it will want to go to. It took this liquidity right here, the 730 wick. He took it right here. There's nothing else. It's only PD array. So PD array doesn't attract price. Liquidity does. Move stop to 61. Yep, right here. I'll put it right below. If I was to be able to move my stop loss, I would put it right here. But I can't. It doesn't work. Price can still wick to the bottom of this order block, and price can, and the actual body can close above the order 50% of the order block. Remember what Michael always says: wicks tell the story, and body. What is it that he said? Oh no, wicks do the damage. Body tells the story. That's what it is. The wick can do the damage. The body will tell the story. So if price closes above the 50% of the order block, it's telling you that okay, price the order block did support a price, but the wick just did the damage. He took whatever he wanted to take from here. So right now I would have been out of that trade because he actually went like how many pips? Like 2 pips above that, below that. I don't know what's going on. Price is just not acting itself. We have no news. No news whatsoever. Look at that. Look how price did close basically above the PD array. I mean the order block. But the wick stretch all the way down. It's like the price is just clearing the board. I don't know what it's doing. Right now, I don't know what price is doing. I'm just gonna be very honest here. I don't know what price is doing. All I can think of is that it's waiting for time, which is 8, is what I will assume. 8 a.m. And right now I can't be 100% certain that it's gonna want to go and take this buy side because we already went 50% of this range, above 50% of this range, and that can be price can be content with that. So if I would have had my stop loss right here, it would have taken me out. I would have entered on the break of this order block, like it just did right here. Wait for that candle to close. Wait for the other one to retrace. Retrace. I would have just entered. It looks like we're like 2 minutes away from 8. 15-minute looks good. Yeah, it should. Yep. Yeah, 15-minute definitely looks better. But 15 minutes just doesn't tell me enough to know what price is doing. That's why I'm in the 1 minute. There you go. There you freaking go. Come on. Come on, baby. Pump it. Oh my God. I want to be out of this trade already. Look at that. I don't like to see that. Shh. Okay. It just took like that was the relatively equal highs right here. Just took that. Why would it take that? Is it planning to go down? It's like that's the tough questions right there. So it's a little bit higher, so you'll be this one, but they're relatively equal highs. Just took that. We don't have a fair value gap until down here. And you see, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna wait for price to come down here to enter a trade, let's say. Like price can do its thing from right here. We got this fair value gap right here. 8. It's 8, baby. Bummer. Me don't like that wick. Yeah. I don't like it either. I do not like it either. I do see that price has been closing above the 50% of this fair value gap right here, which I just stretch. So yeah, that's a good indication. It's playing around this order block way too much, more than I like. But it's been respecting this fair value gap as far as what the body has told me, always been telling me. Yeah, the price is just like, why is it not out? It's 8 a.m. already. What more can you be waiting for? Don't tell me you're waiting for 9:30. I do not like to be in the market that long. Like that's why I start very early. Actually, talking about that, I gotta work at it. Let me go check my schedule. All right. This is, yep, that's it right there. Ooh, there's a light promo today. Till what time? 8:10? Oh no. Where's my? I start at 10 a.m. I can start right now, but price Eastern. I have my best profit typically during London, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Yep, that's my my macro window. That's why I like to enter the trade and then I just manage it. Usually is by 7 I'm already in a trade, which I was. It just didn't pan out. Like you can see, I was like all over the place over here. because prices. Well, honestly, I shouldn't be in none of these trades. I was trying to. I guess I let my emotions in, and I was trying to catch the trade before it started doing what I thought it should be doing, and I wanted to catch it early, I guess, and that was a mistake. I should have just followed. Damn, price is just gapping a lot. Is you live in Canada? Oh, you live in Canada? No, no, the USA. So it's very early over here. It's 8 a.m. right now. Can't place your can't place your accent. Oh no, I'm Spanish, bro. No, not French. Not French. My throat is a little bit congested right now, so my voice sounds deeper than what it really is. But I'm Spanish. Yeah. Are you in Canada? I had someone else come to my stream that was in Canada, but he was on Twitch. He was from Canada. All right, it looks like we might want to take this low before continuing higher. You know, I'm gonna say that I think I'm gonna just not trade Mondays. Monday seems a whole mess. I didn't trade it before. I will always keep a skip on Monday, but after today, after attempting to trade Monday, I think I might just always skip on Monday. Monday is just like Monday. I think is Monday is the day that the market likes to set the stage for the rest of the week, and you don't want to get caught up on that mess. And I think ICT or Michael mentioned that before too. He doesn't like trading Mondays either. Yeah, we just took that low. Let's see if price wants to close above the 50% of this wick. Yeah, but this is the Monday before NFP. No, we had a big sell. Currently 180 points above Friday's close. Let me see 1 second. Typically don't fill, so we either start closing that gap lower now so the opening isn't such a large gap, or we open around here and rip higher. Yep. I just can't put any stop loss. Oh my god, Monday was a mess. Monday is a mess. Oh my god. Oh no, we're gonna start selling. Okay, we're definitely after something. And I kind of knew this here. I should have just gotten out of the trade. All this chance, this wicket was an indication to get out of the trade. So stubborn. So stubborn. But we're still at the bottom of this of this inversion fair value gap. Is that price is moving so choppy today? All right. Let me go to the 5 minutes. Oh crap. It just filled in this gap. Wow. Let me reanalyze this real quick. Yeah, she's not buying. Closing that trade. Oof. This was the entry right here. Relatively equal lows at 888. 888. Oh, okay, down here. Yeah, that's the where the breakup structure would have happened. So I'm gonna take it right here to that. Why does it say positive right away? I have no idea. Yeah, right now the equal lows is what's pulling price right now. It's definitely what pulling price right now. Could I set a stop loss now? Oh, okay. Oop. Come on, give me that wick. Okay. He can go in. Alright. He can go. He did not respect that. It's gonna. Oh, okay. 50% right there. Go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. But probably won't take those before open. Yep. I got my eyes on those equal lows there. Wait, what is this? The 1 minute? Yeah. And I'm gonna do my usual right here. From here to the bottom of this PD array. And I'm gonna take some profit right here. I'm gonna buy 3 contracts right here. What? Okay. Okay. Monday definitely screw me today. I could have swear it was gonna close below it. Why do you have to go and touch this thing right here? What's the need? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be trading Mondays again. It's not good for the psychology. For your psychology. Where is my Telegram? Oh, there you are. Oh, this is not it. Oh, there you are. Yeah, this target is way too sweet for it not to come and take it. Way too sweet. Sweet and juicy. This is the freaking entry for this sell right here. That wick was the last chance to enter. And there's a fair value gap right here. It created equal highs over here. Oh my god. Are you telling me that this thing might actually go up here and take this equal highs? Okay. Equal highs. I'm a whole mess today. This is not how I trade at all. This is not how I trade at all. Now I feel like I'm chasing price, which is not what you want to do. This is not how you want to trade at all. This remind me of the first live stream I did. I think I made the same mistake too. Damn, I leave for 5 minutes. Yeah, for 5 minutes, right? And look at everything that just happened. We have relatively equal highs up in here. That's what he's going after. At the moment, at least. Currently respecting this breaker. But we know that a wick will stretch and grab this equal highs. Because why would it go up there? I don't know. I don't think it's gonna go ahead and take that buy side. He only went 50%. Oh man, I feel like shit. We had a break of structure right here that I wouldn't have missed if I was so focused on this target. And that's one thing to note. When you have a target marked at 50% of the range that leads to that target gets hit and it retraces back, then most likely price is not gonna go ahead and hit it. Actually, I should write it down for my own notes. What the heck? What did I just do? Something else. Something else in mind. The action before this move was crazy. Wicks everywhere on the 1 minute. Now it's smoothing out, less wicks. Yeah, it's like a search and destroy kind of scenario. Look at that. We only went 50% of this. We didn't even reach the target, which it would have been the equal highs, but since price is not going after it, oh my god. We respected this order block, this breaker. Now we're trading down. Even though there is no news, I still find 830 reliable. Yep. Look at that push down. Look at that push down. I don't know. Price feels like it's acting like there's news. It's acting like if there was some news going on, some behind the door news. This was a perfect entry though. I wish I would have exited when it was down here to reposition my entry over here. Take it to the relatively or equal lows right there, which I should rename as such because it's no longer gonna be a break of structure for me. Oh my god. To think that I could have avoided all this mess of losing trades. Because once you lose one trade, you tend to lose the other one because now you're just revenge trading. You don't want to do that. In this trade, all these losses could have been avoided if I would have just waited for this price to break below this. Yeah, price is gonna take those equal highs. It just likes to do this retracement before taking. But wow, it retraces so low. We're still closing below the 50% of this order block, which now is a breaker. Now is a breaker. But seeing how price is reacting so far, it's not respecting any PD array, and the ones that it's respecting, it's like shooting way lower than it should. So it's still gapping. 13 seconds on this candle. Yeah, I was up $172. Now up 65. Yeah, Mondays. I don't know. First time trading Monday after I started live streaming. I think the first live stream was on Monday. Let me look back. I think my first live stream was Monday, and I lost big on that live stream. But they didn't lose afterwards because I didn't trade on Monday. But I don't know if that was a Monday or not. It could have been not a Monday. It could have been just a regular day. Even if I end up being a winning day for me, I'm still not won't be happy. All of those losses, even though it's not a lost day, it's still a lost trade. Left scars. You holding the short, yeah. It's tricky right now, man. Cause we have two targets right now. We have we don't know which one is gonna take. We got this equal highs and we got this equal lows. Now, ideally, it should take those equal highs before going after those equal lows. You know, because it takes this liquidity, then it goes after the next liquidity, where it will be that equal low right there clearly. Or you can just go the opposite. Take those equal lows, then go after those equal highs and this buy side, which is over here. So I guess the ideal scenario is for those equal lows to be taken. But I don't know if you will want to go back up there. That's like extremely high up there. Let's see. Yeah, that's almost no, that's 100 pips to go back up there. But 930 can work magic, so 930. We are just under that 50%. Mm-hmm. Since it's been filling in the upper 50%, once he leaves it, should go should go back in. You mean he shouldn't go back in? I'm probably not following. I got distracted on my phone. Oh my god. Look at her, but shouldn't. Yeah, I've done so. And we're talking about 50%. We're just under that 50%. We must be talking about this fair value gap right here. We definitely respected this breaker. We traded exactly to 50% of it. Dropped down aggressively. Came in, filled in this gap more than 50%, and traded down again. So price is telling us he wants to go and sell. Where he wants to go to? Well, this is a good place right here. So did I? Let me see. From here to here, 50%. This right here. I'm willing to take my profits there, and I'm actually gonna do 5 here. Actually gonna do 5 there. Do 5 there. The rest can stay. 50% of that. 21, 10, 21, 21, and 101. this is higher, so I gotta go lower. Lower, 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 lower. Is my number different than yours? Because 2110 is all the way down here. Am I tripping? I could be tripping. Alright. I noticed this a lot lately. This Wix going way above the PD arrays. We got an order block right here. 50% of this order block is being respected. ICT is definitely good in these situations when things just not get respected. He's very good on protecting his price because he's been on trades that don't do well, but he's able to come out, as a winner, even though his targets didn't get hit. So, but I guess that's just the kind of things you can learn when you have that many years of experience. I want to see it break so that I can set my stop loss. Look at that. Why is this price not gone? Why does it keep coming back to torture me? True day open is below London, then Asian low. True day open? I never heard that term before. What's the true day open? Oh, midnight. Got it. So you're saying that we're below. Oh, the midnight is below the London low and Asian low. I used okay. I don't have any type of indicator. I do have these indicators right here, but I don't find myself using them. Actually, I don't use these at all. This is not the ones I use. They must be in another uh, profile. Yeah, it's not on this profile. It's on the futures profile. And it's just the one that shows the candles, the daily candles. ICT kills them. Yeah, I used to use those. Wait, you don't use TradingView? It automatically marks the midnight open, lows and high of each session. I only use TradingView. Okay. Yeah, I think I had that ICT kill zone thing right here. ICT kill zone. Kill zones. Is it this one? What just happened? Oh no, I want to remove that. Oh no, that's how it is. It just marks it at the bottom. Delete that. It just marks it at the bottom. But that's not the one you're talking about now. I don't know how, where is this one? How can I remove it? I just go here. Oh my god, what did I just do? That's not it. Let me look at it. Yeah, definitely. I don't even know how to remove it. Oh, here it is. Okay. Price is just ranging a lot. It's not going straight down, straight up. It's just like ranging. The only up move we had, it was this one. But all this is just boom, 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 zigzagging. I see. Oh, and pivots. I think I saw that one. ICT, kill zone, and pivot. There's this one here. I don't think it's that one though. Pivot points. It's gotta be this one. I don't know if that's the one. I don't know what it did, or if it's doing anything. Oh, okay, there it is. That's London, Asian. Oh, that looks pretty cool. And what is this purple one? New European. Let's see if the timer are accurate. So from 1:30 up to 7. Oh wait. No, it says to 3. 3:59, so 4 p.m. And this is what, New Year lunch? Oh, this is pretty cool. Yeah, it's from 12 p.m. to to 1 p.m. and this is what? New York AM. Yep. 9:30 to 11. Cool. Look at the mood when they start. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I actually might have them. I did have somewhat similar ones, but they were, I don't know. They weren't this nice. I love how the letter London right there and everything. That's pretty cool. So right here, why isn't there's one here? Um, this is what? This is 5 a.m. basically. Oh, it's not marking the 12 a.m. though. Let's see. 12. Asian, London, New York a.m., New York lunch, New York p.m. Drawing cutoff time. It does not show the 12 a.m. The midnight. That's the only indicator I use, and I recently started paying attention to ATR. I can trade very well when ATR gets above 30, 40, even with one macro. ATR? I think I heard of ATR. I'm not sure if it's the same that I'm thinking about. Oh, no. It's DR, ADR, and all that stuff. Never mind. It's not the same. Oh, come on. I had so many opportunities to exit this trade. ATR is just the average of a 1 minute candle or whatever time frame you are on. Average size of a candle. Okay, so that's the one we use. ATR can't trade very well when ATR gets above 30 to 40, even one macro. 30 to 40? 30 to 40 ticks? Oh, I'm not following. So ATR is the average of any candle, right? From any time frame. In this case, a 1 minute. I think that's why I do well in Asia, in London, because it's usually 4 to 10 handles average per candle. Oh, okay. Yeah, because it moves slower. I see what you're talking about now. Yeah. It can be 35 to 65 points per candle. Yep. Okay. Huh. I didn't know people count on, what's the word? They take note on that. I don't see how I would utilize it though. So when it dies down around 10:30, I can get a trade. I see. Yeah, I trade London, not Asian, but London, because my ideal setup sets up at around that time. Today was the first Monday I traded with this idea, and although it could have been avoided if I wouldn't have been impulsive and taken a trade, um, it doesn't seem to do what every other day does. So I was gonna. This is the London low. I was gonna target this right here, London low, or 50% of that, which is would have been around here somewhere. We even have Asian low here. This is Monday, yeah. There should be a dotted line starting from midnight in the indicator. Um, yeah, that's what I was looking at for, because usually it's what it is. It's a dotted line, but there's none. I looked at the settings, and the settings don't seem to give me the option. Is it this right here? No. What is this? American New York, yeah. Label, normal, auto, tiny. I don't know what that is. Normal. Until mitigated. Yeah, I don't see. Yeah, price is ranging today. It's just zigzagging. It's between two clear targets, and none of them are getting hit. It's just staying in between the range. Right here. I'll call this the range. So right now we're below the 50% of that range. Oops, what did I just do? Oh. Between the two targets. Just 50%, dropping right 50% below that range right now. So let's just call this top part the premium zone, and this the discount. Where it says day of week, in, input there is a tab that can toggle midnight. Day of week, got it. Day of week. Where does it say that? Oh, it's probably over here. Bottom. Input. Day of week. Oh, there you go. Wait, midpoint? No, is that midnight? No. Just under that, it says opening prices. Where? Keep going down. Oh, this thing goes down. I'm sorry. Damn. This thing goes down. Okay. Show kills on range. Oh, this thing's. I'm surprised it doesn't have. Oh, here it is. I couldn't see it. It's so faded. Where is it? Style dotted. Midnight. Day of week label. And you said on the day of week. Say day of week input. There is a tab that can be toggled to midnight. I do have it on. I think. You were just at it. Click the box next to True Day Open. Next to True Day Open. True Day Open. True Day Open. Gotta hate this delay, huh? Average length. Average low. Right where all those time are. At the bottom here? Oh, True Day Open. Got it. I think that's the one. I think I got it right. Let me see where it is. True Day Open. Got it. Oh, wow. That looks nice. Oh, I like this indicator. Appreciate that, brother. Yeah, this looks good. Let me confirm that it's accurate. Yep, 12 a.m. open right there. Wow, whoever made that indicator. Oh my God, we just took the equal high. There it is. There it is. We just took it. I changed the transparency so that color aren't so strong. Of these? Yeah, right? I was thinking of putting it lower. $70. We can do 50. And we can do 30 here. Oh wait. That seems to have made it. So I gotta do 80 here. And we gotta do 60 here. I think I can even do 90 and 70. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh my God. I love the colors they picked. Oh fuck me, bro. Now it's when he want to go and take that buy side. Fuck. Equal highs, buy side. Oh wait, I got a sell limit right here still. I don't want that there. Yep. Pretty nice now. Oh my god, it's Monday. What time is it? 9 already? Almost gotta go to work and taco sounds pretty good. I haven't even eaten, man. Damn. I haven't even eaten. Right now, I'm just a bit confused. If we don't take this buy side, then I guess it's fine. But if we end up taking this buy side, then my question will be, why do we went all the way down here to then go take that buy side? Why so far? Oh, okay. I see. Wait. Let me take this back. Wow, so many lines. I gotta get rid of some of this stuff. I'll use this Phipps right now. Okay. So we were retracing 61%. So OTE. This was an OTE trade. If we take that buy side, that will explain why we retrace this low. So the nearest PD array around OTE was this order block. We took this equal highs. We failed to take this high, which means unless we just retrace into this order block right here, retesting it. I mean now order block breaker to then take the buy side. I clear all my fair value before open. Very weird action. I agree. Yeah, it will only make sense if that buy side gets taken. If it start going down, and breaks through that breaker, doesn't respect it, then yeah, I will be very confused as to why we went all the way down there to then go all the way up to then go all the way down again. Then that will make this a range that price is trading on, which is not a good place to be stuck on, which I'm clearly am stuck right now. I guess that gives me hope that he will drop back back this low and I can get out of this trade and call it a day because clearly, you know what? Let's put this limit right here. I'm gonna do 10 contracts right here. Oh wait, I don't even have to do that. I can just pull the TP right here. Oh right, I can't do that. So I will have to do this. Yeah, we're just inside this range. All price did was create a range. Came from here to here. Now this is a range. And we might be just trading inside here until 9:30. 9:30 we might break out of it. 9:30 might continue on this range. All we have done so far is buy. Where is that? Okay, right here. We drop lower. This was the time to buy because we were lower. But this was what, 3 a.m.? I was not awake around that time. We didn't take London's low. We didn't take Asian low. Yeah, this is a pretty weird day. And I could have avoided all of this if I would have just waited for that break right there. Futures floor stream? Canadian streamer who doesn't trade ICT. Oh, okay. No, yeah. No problem, man. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully I see you again. Take care, brother. Thank you, thank you. Now you definitely know some things that I'm not familiar with. That you've mentioned a lot of things in here, so I sure did some learning too, bro. I sure did some learning. Check out the Twitch. If you end up creating an account, do give me a follow there. The stream is much smoother there. I'm almost hopping off. I'm just gonna see and wait for price to go into profit, and hopefully it does that. Stop in and say hi sometimes if you want. He has interesting approach using rank. Oh, using Renko. Learning is what it's all about. Ice punch for info. Good shit, man. You have the right mindset. I haven't heard of Renko or Renko. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I know I actually are in a chat or a Telegram chat that someone in there uses it to trade. Alright, bro. Thank you, thank you. I'm in the same boat. I gotta be at work at 10, so take care, brother. Yeah, me neither. I'm. If this is what ICT uses to trade, then that's good enough for me. I mean, the guy's been trading for a very long time, so. No, that's good. You wanna build relationships, man. And if the guy is successful in what he does, you gotta give respect to who deserves that, and he knows his stuff. So, gotta be happy for him. I'm not with trolling other people because of the way they trade. I think that's wrong. If someone shows success doing what they're doing, then be happy for them. You don't have to like the way they trade. You don't have to trade the way they trade to be happy for someone else who's having success trading. Trading is extremely difficult no matter how you trade or what concepts you use to trade. It still requires a level of discipline that even if you know how to trade, if you don't have that level of discipline, you're not gonna be successful. Which is why I'm stuck in this trade. Exactly. Yeah, man. I honestly, even in the beginning, I didn't like the idea of all of that trend lines and all of that. It's not. It wasn't so much because I didn't understand it. It's also that it's so very confusing and it doesn't feel like you're really reading price. I think I was always attracted to knowing how to read price. That's why um, learning ICT was um, like it was not so hard to follow his teaching because from the very beginning I knew that that's what he was trying to do, help people read price, not just following a strategy. And although it's so very hard to understand everything he's teaching, once you start getting it, and it's like an eye opener, and you feel so relief. You feel so relief when you start getting it. Yeah, bro. Oh, don't tell me about rabbit holes, bro. I paid 3,000, nearly $4,000 for a course that I learned nothing from, and it uses trendline and all this stuff. And the only reason I bought it was because it went deeper into Fibonacci. I was still not understanding a lot of the ICT stuff, so I was exploring. But when I bought the course and I saw I was teaching trend lines and all these stuff, I'm like, holy crap, what did I do? Yeah, there was no refund, so I lost nearly $4,000 on that course, and I didn't learn anything. The only thing I got from that course was the fibs, which is this right here. I have it right here. Her name is Jess. She's the mentor, and it's her fibs levels. That's all I have. That's all I got from it. Two trading friends sent me the first ICT video I ever saw. I watched it and was like, holy moly, this is crazy awesome. Yeah, that was the same reaction I had. I asked him, hey, did you watch this? He said, nope, not really. Yeah, it's unbelievable the amount of trolling that there is towards ICT. It's insane. Which I don't understand why. Like, what possible reason can you have not to like ICT? Only because you can't understand his stuff. But that's not no reason to hate. As long as the person can actually have success doing what they're doing, then hey, okay, you can just be honest to yourself and say, okay, that's just not clicking for me. But the guy's clearly making money doing it. Because if you're part of his Telegram, you know for sure this guy is spot on with his trades. He's spot on with his trades. And he does not engage on a trade that's gonna, not go against him. Even the trades that he end up losing, which is not really loses, because he doesn't lose them. He loses, but he doesn't lose them because he just ends up getting stop out in profit. So he doesn't engage on a trade that's not gonna go in his direction, at least for a short period of time. Even if he doesn't hit his target, trade still goes in his direction. Yeah, I guess it's also because he says it he tell it like it is. This idea that people teach out in YouTube, and they're deceiving. And I can see how it can all be true. But he never has said that they don't work. It's just not reading price action truly. Yeah, I know, right? It makes you wish you trade places with him, cause he's just so spot on. That's why people are full of shit when they say that he's a fraud because he didn't win he's not in the leaderboard on the Robbins Cup. He doesn't want to be there. He does not want to be there. Copy trade him. Yeah. Yep. But yeah, he doesn't want to be in the leaderboard. If he wanted to be at the leaderboard, if he even care about being in the leaderboard, he would be in the leaderboard. He's too damn accurate with his trading not to be if he wanted to be. I have watched him call out trades or call out things on the market through the Telegram, and he's been spot on. You can't go and be that spot on day after day, week after week, if you don't know what the heck you're talking about. He clearly knows what he's talking about. Part of me wonder if he got banned from brokers, and the reason he's putting it out for free is to attempt to break the market. Hmm, that's a great thought. That's a great thought. But I don't see how he can. Nah, that will never happen. He can break the market, but I don't think people are gonna follow him blindly. To It's like there's a lot of people just don't can fathom or understand the concepts he teaches. So he can put it all for free, and only the people that truly know that are not naive and stupid, if I should say. I don't know. Some people must be stupid if they call him a fraud, seeing that he's winning all of his trade. Um, they still not gonna trade his concept, so they still gonna trade retail because retail trading is the most popular way of trading, despite the fact that ICT and a lot of students are having success. And it truly shows that his method are the way the market actually operates, that it is an algorithm, and it's not based on supply and demand like retail traders like to say it is. Damn, that freaking sucks. that you can't even afford to be that good because you can get banned. You can get banned. I think that will only happen though when you on a funded trading account though. I don't see how that would make sense if you're trading with your own funds. Like if anything, the broker makes money on you whether you win or lose. You know, they make money because you got to pay fees to put in the contracts, to execute the trades and whatnot. So I think he's referring to probably funded trading. He did mention on that. He did mention something on that. That he doesn't like the idea of funded trading a funded account because he can make $1 million in 1 week. He's not gonna be able to freaking withdraw that money, and that's true. You know, they won't pay him. They won't pay him. Funded trading accounts is for us little guys, not for monsters like ICT or Michael. You know, it's for us little guys. You know, we take small trades, make 1,000 or so. Not ICT making 50,000, 80,000, 100,000. This guy is just a monster. Monster. I got much respect for him, but I got even more respect because he gives all the glory to God, and that shows the humble how humble he is. That he knows that everything he knows and everything he figured out was because of one person and one person only. God allowed him to point him in the right direction, and I think that's what God has done with us, pointing us in His direction to learn from Him because us that believe that there's a higher power know that things don't happen by chance. There's a lot of things that are meant to happen, and they happen because of that, of certain things. And I feel like, you know, God pointed me towards ICT because that's what where I'm really gonna see success. You know, and I think He does that with everybody. Think God wants us to go against these markets. You know, because he understands, he knows what is being done in this market. These markets are stealing money from people. So he showed a man the way to take money back to the people. That man is ICT, Michael, and everyone who's learned from him is gonna be able to, you know, do the same thing he's doing. What the heck is going on? Yeah, amen to that, bro. That I can. I haven't even eaten, and I'm gonna. Well, there it is. There's the equal lows about to be taken. Why is my trade not okay? I'm still short, but he got me out of the tray. It is what it is. The equal low is about to be taken. Damn, I hate when this happens. Oh my god. There you go. Come and take that equal low. I know you want it. I'm sure. Right now. Oh, I'm gonna take short right there. It hasn't taken it. Wait. Was I ever to be short? Oh, okay. TP right here. And another 5 up there. I got boom. Holy crap, what is going on? See ya, brother. What is that? New York AM. Oh, that is so cool. 9:30. Oh, he's going after that buy side. Oh man. 50%. We just went. Oh, not even. There you go. It just took the buy side. So if I do I just closed this trade. I lost this. There's the buy side. He took it. Damn. Wait, what was I gonna do? It just went to the. There you go. No fibs. Now we're gonna go to the buy. I mean to the sell. Alright, let me put my stop loss right here. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Let me see if I can put it here. Oh yes. What happened? Okay. Alright. I gotta go eat something. I'll be back. Well, there you go. We went and took that equal lows right after taking buy side. And even did a break of structure right here. Alright, let's see where that puts us. What? I could have swear that would have brought me back to profit. Oh well. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Did I just... Oh, what the heck did I do? I just put more cells? No, that's not what I was trying to do. Oh my god. This is what I was trying to do. Jesus. I'm gonna do 3 here then. There you go, there you go. Alright, what time is it? Ooh, he's 43. How low can you go? Bam, just took it. Come on, give it to me. Alright, where did that put me? Okay. I'm technically back to profit. But let me change this to range. And I'm gonna do 50% of that right there. buy. So I got 4, I got 2 right there I can buy. If only I can put my stop loss. That's an order block. Come on, break below it. No, that's not good. Come on. I'm gonna close this tray. Screw it. Cause I can't put a damn stop loss. I know where you're heading. You're not going up there. You're going down here. This is a fair value gap. Midpoint of that. What is this? 9:30. 9:36. This was 9:30 right here. Let's go on the 5 minutes. So right now, 130, 126. Oh no. No, yeah, it's this right here. Wait, no. I had to write the first time. There you go. Pump it, baby. Pump it. Come on. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, you already hit it. Do I have time to... I'm gonna do 3 right here. What? That clearly took that... That clearly took that. I'm just gonna leave one running. Oh, there, we took it. Oh yeah. Now I'm in profit. I'm gonna close this trade. Actually, let me let it hit TP. No, screw it. I'm done monitoring this. 33. Wow. A roller coaster ride. A roller coaster ride. Five. All right, guys. That is all. Thank you for watching. Although this was a very, very, very bad stream. There's a lot of mistakes that were made. A lot of impatience that could have been avoided, but wasn't because impatience. So definitely don't use this stream or whatever I did on this stream as an example of your own trading. This was bad management. Bad management. The only thing you should take from this stream is that if you don't have a clear target, do not get engaged on the trade. And once you have a clear target, wait for confirmations letting you know that the price is gonna go there. For example, right here, I could have known that this trade was gonna go in my direction if I would have waited. What? If I would have waited for confirmation, which I didn't get it. So, and for that reason, I was caught up on all this mess over here. But nonetheless, the target that I was aiming for, right this low over here, is finally getting hit. Alright, so. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. I gotta get out of here.